So, very good morning to everyone. So, today we are going to see the intellectual property rights, patent filing procedure. Uh, so, first thing, what is mean the intellectual property rights? So many resources available in our world. By the uses of the resources, the human being uh, making the new inventions. That is the innovations. So here we is showing the three diagrams like red color line showing the pattern, blue color line showing the copyrights, so green color circle showing the trademark. So pattern means working conditions machines already available. One thing we are needed to invent a new thing in working conditions, that is the pattern. If go for the copyright means, so copyright is nothing but we have to write something, publishing books, songs, films, like this. So these are the things are will be registered for copyright. So third thing is trademark. So trademark is nothing but we have to produce some quality goods for human being. So we have giving some logo to this product. Okay. For example, we have to mention the Coca-Cola company symbol, Pepsi company symbol, Acer for systems, Apple for electronic goods. So these are the things for trademarks. So some of the procedure available for registration of like the patent, copyrights, trademarks. So in these sections we are going to see the how going to register for the these are the things. So the patent, first thing is we are going to see the patent. So Patent Act 1970 we have some legal procedure available. So we will be see the patent process. See here we are showing the intellectual property rights of different terms. See here we are showing the patent. First thing is so design patent, trademarks like geographical indications. So here showing some of the images for different terms inside the intellectual property rights. See four types of intellectual property to protect your ideas. See, invention is nothing but something idea created in our mind. So that idea will be produced by the product by the use of resources by the human. So the government is encourage the innovators for inventing the more number of innovations. So that's why we are giving the rights to this inventor for encouraging for inventing more number of inventions. See here first thing is showing the trade secrets. So trade secrets is have some co-product manufacturing by some of the formulas. The Pepsi drink is manufacturing by the some of the formulas for making the cool drinks. That is a trade secret for the individuals companies. So trademark is we already telling some of the logos given by the quality goods. So copyright is we have mentioning that books, songs, movie like that. So pattern thing is the functional one things. So first thing is we are going to see the patent. So who can file the patent applications? The patent applicant must be in first inventor or in that interested persons. See these are the patent applicants. So where to file the patent applications? The appropriate office of the patent office shall be the head office of the patent office or the branch office, as the case may be within the whose territory limits. Residential of applicants is the place of business, the place where the invention actually originated. If the applicant has no business or domain in India. See here, we are showing that patent registration of the availability of that in India, Chennai. See, Chennai is the branch office. Actually, the head office is available in that Kolkata. So, in our India, the first branch office is Chennai. If you are invented something in Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, the peoples need to register the patent in Chennai. If go for Mumbai is patent branch office. See, you are invented something in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Chhattisgarh, and the Daman and Diu, and Nagar Haveli. These are the people needed to register our invention in that Mumbai. So next thing is branch office is Delhi, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, and Chhattisgarh. These are the peoples invented something is you are needed in New Delhi. See the how to file the patent application through online and also the post or by the hand. Type of the patent application: honor applications, modification of already patent inventions, divisional applications, convention applications, natural phase applications. So general procedure for obtaining the patent. First, we are needed to file the patent applications. So after publication of 18 months, so pre-grant apportions is any available after publication is showing by the office. Then request for the examinations by the inventor. Then the examinations grant or revisions. Then publication of grant after the getting the patent. So next thing is after granting the patent, the opposition is available or not. So finally the decision by the controller. So here we are showing two types of charts we are showing. Before 2005 have some procedures, and after 2005 I have some procedures. See 2005 before, first thing is patent applications, examinations, applications, order for grant, advertisement, opposition of interested persons, grant. Now how to file the patent, then the patent is published. So after publications any oppositions are available, we are looking, then examinations, then grant the patents, then publication, then we are showing the any oppositions available. This is the patent documents required for filing a patent applications. So the covering letter, form 1, form 2, form 3, then form 26, form 5, certified true copy of the periodic documents, DD. So these are the documents required for the registration of applications. So content of specifications during the registration of patent, like title of the inventions, field of the inventions, background of the inventions, objective of inventions, summary of invention, then availability of drawing, descriptions, examples, claims, and the abstracts. See professional specifications and complete specifications. See, there is some difference between these professional specification and the complete specifications. It should be describe the nature of the inventions and contain the descriptions of essential features of the inventions. The complete specification must be filled within 12 months. See, the complete specifications contain the full descriptions of the invention and its operations. So some of the fees, so filing fees is like natural person other than natural persons. So each sheet specifications, then the claims and the complete specifications. See publications. See, if you are invented something after filing the patent, that people is published in, all over India. So all the person of studying your filed patent, if already available, means some of the people claim the your publications. If some of the person claiming your invention, means there isn't some inquiry available. If not any opposition available, means then we go for that exam. So pre-grant oppositions available means maybe the field within 3 months from the date of publications of the applications. So then request for examinations, then report. So after first examination report, we will need to clarify the first examination report. Then there will be produce a grant. So then the post grant oppositions may be available. If post graduation grant applications oppositions available, means this controller of examinations will deal this. So renewal fee is available up to 6 year 2000, 7 to 10 6000, 11 to 5 12,000, 16 to 20 20,000 per year. Thank you.